Salvage your data. Unexpected phone resets.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a scenario many of us fear. What to do when your phone resets without your consent. We understand that you don't want to lose your precious data, and we'll help you navigate this problem with a series of simple steps.
Why did my phone reset?
Before we jump into the solution, it's crucial to understand the reasons for an unexpected reset. This could be due to software glitches, malicious applications, or an operating system update. It's always beneficial to keep your device up to date and have a reliable antivirus app to prevent such incidents.
Can I get my data back?
Yes, you absolutely can, and we're here to show you how. Remember, it's always best to regularly back up your data to prevent such mishaps, but even if you haven't, don't worry. There's still hope.
Recovering data from Google account.
If you have an Android phone, you might have backed up your data unknowingly. Google accounts often sync data like contacts, photos, and calendar events. After the reset, simply log into the same Google account and restore the synced data.
Using cloud services.
Many of us use cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. These services can store your documents, photos, and even application data. Check these platforms to see if your files are stored there.
Using data recovery software.
If your data was not backed up, you can use data recovery software. This software scans your phone for deleted files and allows you to restore them. Remember, this process might require advanced technical skills, and it's crucial to select a reliable data recovery software. In the end, it's always best to prevent data loss by maintaining regular backups. However, if you find yourself in a situation with an unexpected reset, don't panic. Follow these steps, and you'll have a good chance of getting your data back. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, your data is important. Always ensure it's protected.